Oh no! A hole in the wall. What are you going to do? Hire a contractor? That can be expensive. You can do the repair yourself with DryWallCarolina Repair Plugs. Step 1. Use the template or a tape measure and mark the area needing repair. Step 2. Use caution and cut out the damaged area you've just marked out on the wall. Step 3. Load the plug with all-purpose joint compound as shown. Step 4. Simply place the loaded drywall plug into the hole you've just cut. Step 5. Use a drywall knife to push the facing tight and flush against the wall. Step 6. Wipe the plug until it's tight against the wall. Wipe hard. The face material is not paper and will not tear. Step 7. Cover entire plug with a thin layer of all-purpose joint compound using a side-to-side motion, making sure top and bottom edges of the plug are covered. Only thin coats are needed. Remember, you only need to cover the edges of the face material. Step 8. Allow 20 to 30 minutes to pass, then repeat Step 7 using an up and down motion to apply another thin coat of all-purpose joint compound. Remember to only use thin layers of all-purpose joint compound. You only need to cover the edges of the face material. Allow a minimum of 1 hour to pass before sanding and painting. No contractor needed when you use DryWallCarolina Repair Plugs.